Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change a screen lock to a pattern on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to change your screen lock to a pattern provides you with options for personalizing the security of your device. Patterns can be easier to remember and quicker to input than traditional pins or password, while still providing a level of security. So, how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, enter to the settings menu. Well, and here scroll down please till you find security and privacy option and tap on it. Well, after that, click lock screen option and then you can select the first one here. So, enter your current screen lock and then you can select pattern option. Okay, so here, draw a pattern and click continue. So, confirm it as before. Click OK. And now your screen lock is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change a screen lock to a pattern on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.